Welcome back to Rice.AI Code Room. Today we are tackling LeetCode 3548 equals Sum Grid Partition II. In this problem, we are given a matrix of positive integers. We need to make either one horizontal or one vertical cut to split it into two non-empty sections. We want both sections to have equal sums. However, we are allowed to discount at most one single cell from either section, provided the remaining cells in that section stay connected. We need to return true if such a valid cut exists. Let's discuss our thought process. We need to check all possible horizontal and vertical cuts. A naive approach is too slow. Instead, we can sweep a cut line across the grid. As we move the cut, we maintain the sums of both sections and use frequency arrays to track the values present in each section. If the sums differ by d, we just need to check if a valid removable cell with value d exists in the larger section. Here is a snippet of the C++ implementation. We compute the total sum and use frequency arrays to track values in the top and bottom sections during our horizontal sweep. We do the same for the left and right sections in a vertical sweep. For edge cases where a section has only one row or one column, we explicitly check its end cells since removing a middle cell would disconnect the section. Finally, the complexity analysis. The time complexity is big O of m times n, as we perform a constant amount of work per cell during our horizontal and vertical sweeps. The space complexity is big O of 1 as we only need fixed size arrays up to 100,000 to store frequencies. Thank you for watching.